Welcome to PaceLab LMS. I shall give you a short tour on how our LMS works and its basic framework. These are the major categories in our website, among which eTutor is your category. Our most popular courses are shown here in the featured space. Our affiliates join through here to market and promote your courses. And these are our collaborations. Now we shall move on to the eTutor section. This is our eTutor page where all university-based courses are added here every day. So your course will be found here. Let us now get into one of the courses, for example, Programming in C. This is the landing page of the course. Here the name of the course and thumbnail are shown. Here is the overview where details like course description, course outcome, key features, and even details about certification are shown. Here the tag read, the course is coming soon, and this will be removed when the course is live. Here temporarily it's shown as free, and when course is open for purchase, we will add the exact fee. And later students can click here to purchase the course. This is the course features where details are displayed like how many lectures, how many MCQ questions, duration, what skill level is required, the medium of instruction, the number of students enrolled, if there is certification, and even self-assessment. Currently the certificate is shown as nil, but when the course is live, we shall activate certificate in every course. We can now move on to the curriculum section. Where all modules and lessons are viewable. In the instructor tab, the detail of the trainer will be shown. Enrolled students can be viewed here. Here students can post their rating and review about the course. Here students can post comments and questions where teachers can respond. Let's get deep into the curriculum section. And let's select one lesson from module 1. We are now in lesson page. Here students can play the video and learn.
Input devices. Using input devices, computer can accept data and instruction. Then next input device is microphone. Microphone use ചെയ്ത് ആണ് OMR technology use ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Then next is magnetic ink character reader. പേര് പറയുന്ന പോലെ തന്നെ.
For individual lessons, they can post their doubt here. Students can select next video or lesson from here itself and continue learning.
High level languages. വേറൊരു മെഷീനിൽ റൺ ചെയ്യാൻ സാധ്യമല്ല. ഇവിടെ ഡീബഗ് ചെയ്യാൻ ഡിഫിക്കൽട്ടാണ്, അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ചാൻസസ് ഓഫ് എറേഴ്സ് കൂടുതലാണ്. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് അനദർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ ഓഫ് ദി സിസ്റ്റം സോഫ്റ്റ്വെയർ.
Now discussing about trainer's profile. Every trainer has their individual profile or account. Now moving on to your profile by clicking here. This is your account page. Here all your courses will be shown. In withdrawal section, you can see your calculated commission and even request for payout. In the settings, you can change your details like biodata, name, profile pic, etc. Through our affiliation, you can sell yours and others' course to get extra commission. In your affiliate account, the overview shows your account summary, number of transactions, and your revenue. You can also get data of individual sales through your link. You can find your link in creative section. So feel free to contact our team to clear any doubt regarding this. And once again, thank you for associating with us to provide a great service in form of teaching to our students. Thank you.